Welcome to our YouTube channel. This time we are going to remember and make a review about all the vocabulary words that we will learn and the unit that is called the cooking time. So let's start with the lesson number 1. The first word was lettuce. We continue with tomato. The next one, carrot. Now, cucumber. We have corn. The next one, pepper. The next word, beans. The next one, mushrooms. We continue with onion. Now, do you remember the grammar for the lesson number 1? Let's make a review for that. Remember that in the lesson number 1, we learned about the future decisions using the expression going to. Let's remember one example. What are you going to prepare? I am going to prepare a salad. I am going to prepare a salad. Now, we continue with the vocabulary words that we learned on the lesson number 2. The first word is garlic. The next one, peas. We continue with seafood. The next word, tuna. The next one, salmon. Now we have shrimp. The next word, meat. We continue with steak. And finally we have pork. Now, for the grammar part, during the lesson number 2, we were learning about how to verify our future decisions. I mean, it's necessary to verify if people is going to prepare something or not. For example, what are you going to make? I am going to make a seafood. Are you going to use a salmon for your seafood? No, I am not going to use a salmon for my seafood. Now, let's see the vocabulary words about the lesson number 3. The first word is beef. The next one, chicken. We continue with vegetables. Now we have boiled. The next word, grilled. We continue with roasted. The next one is fried. And we finished with steamed. Steamed. Now, for the grammar part, remember that we were learning about which ingredients are you going to use when you are going to prepare something. For example, for preparing a meat, I am going to use some tomatoes, some onions, and also some vegetables. Okay, astronauts, don't forget to continue practice at home, subscribe to our YouTube channel, let your likes here, and see you in the next module. Bye-bye!